Welcome back and thank you for joining me. Today I will be upgrading the interior lighting on my Volvo to LEDs. This project was in my plans for quite a while, but I always postponed it. The reason is because I had to take all the bulbs out and find what's gonna fit. Recently I found a guy that offers kits to our Volvos to upgrade to LED, which makes it very easy. You just order the kit and he's gonna get it to you. As you can see, the factory lighting is very dim, it looks yellowish and it's not modern anymore. Let's take another look during daylight how the factory bulbs look. In this video I will show you how to replace all the bulbs to LEDs. I will show you the end result of before and after. Another thing I wanted to mention is that on some Volvo models the front driver and passenger side footwell are LEDs, mine are regular. So this was a very strange decision that Volvo made not to go a full LED on the interior. Let's get started. A lot of you guys ask me where do I get the bone tool. This is it. Here is the part number. It's made by Volvo. The only downside, you're gonna have to buy the whole pack, which is 10 pieces in a bag. Very handy. I use it all the time, so now you know. Now to the kit which I got in the mail. The kit consists of all the bulbs to upgrade the whole interior, including those sockets for the bulbs, which I will show you later where they go. I'm gonna start with the easiest place, which is the cargo compartment. Just pry out the lamp, disconnect the connector, take out the original bulb and install the LED. Now if after installation the bulb will not light up, you just need to turn it around 180 degrees and it should light up. Polarity does matter here. Reconnect, make sure it lights up and reinstall the lamp in its base. Let's continue. I'm gonna switch to the glove box now. From your left side, pry out the lamp. The connector here is a little bit different, so I'm gonna just leave it in place. Remove the original bulb. Reinstall the new LED. Lamp back into the position and it works. To the passenger side footwell, from your left side pry out the lamp, disconnect it, remove the old bulb, and because the LED is a little bit shorter, just bend one of the contacts to make it a little bit shorter. Install the LED, make sure it lights up. If it doesn't, turn it around. And as a reminder, some Volvos, the footwell illumination will be LED and mine are regular. Same thing on the driver's side as the passenger. Now to the passenger side roof lamp. Now this lamp, you just need to pry it downwards, not sideways. Just pull on it directly downwards and it will unclick from its position. Once the lamp is detached from the roof, inside there is a unit which will go only one way. There is like two pins that will prevent you from installing it the other way. Then you need to disconnect the connector, push on the top and pull. Here are the two catches that attach to the roof, 1 and 2, and this is the electrical connector. Now those bulbs with the blue sockets, the bulbs cannot be replaced detached from the socket, they're actually soldered in. That's why you're going to be provided with new sockets, which will make the installation much easier. Just twist and remove the old bulbs, take out the LEDs, and install them in the new black sockets. Now, by the way, those LEDs, it doesn't matter, the polarity doesn't matter, so it doesn't matter which way you install, they're gonna light up anyway, which makes it very nice. And take a look, they're completely identical in length, and they will install like the original ones. Just carefully twist the new bulbs into the position. Again, doesn't matter which side. Reconnect the connector and confirm that they light up. It works. Now reposition this unit into the lamp, and again it will go only one way. There is 2 pins that will prevent you from going the other way. Now carefully position the lamp into the roof and click it in. Now we're gonna move to the front roof lamp. It's identical to the rear one, but it just held by 6 catches, not 2. And same thing, you just need to pull it directly down, not sideways. And make sure it doesn't fall carefully. Here are the 6 catches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The electrical connector here is automatically attaches to the roof place. I'm gonna show you in the roof. Here it is. This is the electrical connector, so make sure you're aligning it perfect when installing. 1, 2, and the catches are 3, 4, 5 and 6 catches. And same idea as before, 4 sockets, 4 LED bulbs. Doesn't matter which direction you install them. Carefully remove the original bulbs, and you have those flexible wire in here. If you noticed my mousse on the rear view mirror and are interested where I got it, this is actually a handmade mousse with Swedish flag. Really nice touch to my Volvo, high quality, looks really good. You can attach it to your key fob or just hang it on the rear view mirror. Link will be in the description below to eBay. Let's continue. Make sure you align carefully the tabs and push upwards until you engage all the catches. Now we'll do a quick test, and everything works. One thing that I have to mention, that after installation you're gonna have this glow effect on the LEDs in the roof lamps. It doesn't produce any visible light, it's just that you can see the LEDs. That's the way it is. That's the electronics in the car here. And if it bothers you and you're driving far, just switch it to 0. You're gonna eliminate it. Personally, doesn't bother me. Volvo even have factory green LEDs in the roof lamps. I'm gonna show you that the front one has. Here it is, one at the back, to illuminate a little bit the interior. Also, after you lock the car, the glow effect will remain until the car will go into sleep mode. Now let's get to the results. After completing this upgrade, let me tell you that it looks amazing. The interior got brighter, there is no more yellow look to it, the car just feels more modern. If you would like to repeat this after me, the link to the email will be in the description below. Contact the guy with your VIN number and he will help you out. I hope you like this video, like it, subscribe to my channel for more, there is more videos coming, there is a lot of plans ahead, and thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye guys.